And I'm doing a real estate shoot here in Julian. It's going to be an undisclosed location, but check out this currently abandoned home. This property is over 70 acres though, so it has tons of potential. It's like the stove is gone. People have taken the electrical stuff, but not a lot of vandalism here. It's mostly natural decay. But yeah, I mean, if this were closer to the road, all this would be smashed up. Yeah, look at that. Ew. Medicine cabinet glass is still intact. But first, let me take a selfie. So remember, kids, wash your hands. Stay nice and clean. Except maybe not in this sink. Pretty soon that's going to be a relic, an old incandescent light bulb. But some kids haven't even seen those growing up. Before they had LED and compact fluorescent. Eau de toilette. What's going here? Actually, the foundation, all this is still in pretty good shape, so somebody as a project could rehab this. The utilities have been disconnected up on the poles long ago, so no power here. Look behind here. At least nobody jumped out and said, "Hey!" Oh yeah, so here is the kitchen. Appliances are long gone. Oh yeah, I had this, my parents' kitchen had just grown up, the fake brick wall from like the 60s or 70s. Yeah, normally if you knock on brick, it doesn't feel or sound like that. Oh, and here is the combination laundry / bathroom with a tin roof, but it's not rusted. I don't know if I'd call this a love shack though. Oh, and then, oh, that's a storage shed. I was gonna say, because this has indoor plumbing, so it's not an outhouse. And it's left with a stovepipe, kitchen cabinets. Not a bad day out today. This is why it's so expensive to live in San Diego. And this is a little bit cooler day, but it's about 59 degrees outside. And this is in the mountains of San Diego where temperature isn't so high. But yeah. Pink. Oh yeah, I'm surprised that's put behind where a stove would sit, but this is more of that fake brick. All right, I gotta get back to work.